All right, so in this workshop, we're going to try and understand, you know, what, how much you know about your markets and the people you're trying to reach, right? Africa is very vast. It has a lot of markets, very unique. But what we really need to know is, do you have a sense of the total addressable market for your business in Africa? Or besides that, what is your on-ground presence in each of these countries? How many business contacts do you have? These are some of the factors we find that really help businesses move forward. So take some time, look through the workbook and answer each question. The main thing you want to come out with is understanding what your unique value proposition is, and this would really help you move closer or move faster towards finding your ideal target base in a very vast market that has a lot of price sensitive customers. So take the time, fill out the sheet below, take the questionnaire, and then come back in workshop 4 where we'll be prioritizing markets, find out that prioritize markets. So see you soon.